Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone screen slides down halfway when you swipe or tap near the bottom, reachability is turned on. So in iPhone settings 2026, reachability is an optional accessibility feature and you can turn it off to stop accidental screen drops. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn off reachability on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first I want you to do is to open settings. Okay, so this is where accessibility features are managed. So scroll down and tap accessibility. This is reachability is part of touch accessibility option. So now tap touch. So under physical and motor, tap touch. Okay, tap this one. So find reachability and toggle it to off. Okay, so we have here the reachability. Okay, the second option. So reachability after you turn it off is disabled. Okay, so confirm reachability is off when screen no longer slides down, no accidental half screen drops, swipes behave normally, one hand gestures are disabled. Okay, so no restart required. So if reachability keeps activating, okay, make sure reachability toggle is off again. No third-party accessibility gestures are enabled. Assistive touch is not triggering it. Okay, so reachability only works when explicitly enabled. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.